Maar you was talking about, vi du kaint come off in on the NEANTÓGA and coolfach.
Cúfai, tashin
The nettles.
inta mai honne circulations, agus dúsiadí a bheitseoha da mo cholic sé foisti, bhur agus ver a couple spanag dan túdi agus da mo cosla ringworm hócasin an a boy, but os muy fan na clóia agus radí sin ver a lati flet agus da ga hosa tinneva, godíni ra chapog agus an sin choia molha ringworma.
Right, so denimérta sin ras berle. So the nettles, you boil them for a while, for half an hour or
yes,
so.
yeah, and take the juice out with the turning as well.
Yeah.
And it's for circulation. And also, if children, young babies would have colic, they used to use it, give them a few spoons of that as well to sort out the colic for them. Right. And then anybody with ringworm, you take a few of the leaves and you leave it by the side of the fire, and so that the leaves will get soft, and you put that on top of the ringworm.
Haha. And they don't sting at that point?
No, they're soft, they
right.
do not.
Okay.